making some Halloween themed placemats. There are many options out there nowadays. If you want to keep it simple or if you want to get a little fancier, you can go crazy at the fabric store, at the craft store, picking out embellishments. If you want to do something that's tailored more to younger children, we have a project like that. It's a placemat made out of foam completely. You don't even need glue. You can just use little appliques, and these are easy to find. They're readily available at pretty much any craft store. And I'm going to show you how to do that. That's great because it'll keep the kids entertained during a party, and then when it's time to set the table, they can pick their places and make the table look really cute. So that's one of the placemats that we're going to make. If you want to keep it really simple but you want some sort of fabric, you can go ahead and use felt. You don't have to worry about felt raveling or finishing it off any other way other than just some simple and fun embellishments. If you are handy with a sewing machine, you can make something like this. This is fabric, and it's easy and quick to make, and it's just lined with some cotton on the back. And if you want to do fabric but you don't have a sewing machine, you can make something like this. This doesn't require any sewing, but when it's finished, it looks like you either bought it at the store or spent a lot of time working on it. There are so many embellishments out there these days that you can use, and you can go with rickrack or ribbon or these little foamy words and little pictures that are adorable. There's tons of fun stuff that you can do out there. So stick around and I'll share some of my tricks with you.